Let me show you how to block YouTube channels. Now, if you're on YouTube browsing on the homepage or anywhere else, and you don't like a specific video or you don't like a creator, you can always block those channels. There are a couple different ways to be able to do that. I'll show you how. Now, you can, again, open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or you can do this on youtube.com. Now, let's say I don't necessarily like this one, Fisher County Commissioner vote to permanently close jail. You can see to the right of it are those three dots. I can tap on those three dots, and you have two different options in here to potentially not see that content anymore. The first one is not interested. If I tap on that, this is what happens. It says the video has been removed. You can tell them why, but essentially they won't recommend that specific type of video anymore. Any video that fits that specific category. But it doesn't block that specific channel, just that kind of category and that genre. Now, if you want to block a specific channel itself, let's scroll down and let's say I want to block this channel. I can tap the three dots next to it. And now instead of not interested, I'm going to choose don't recommend this channel. By going through this process, it says we won't recommend this video from this channel to you anymore. Now, keep in mind, by doing this, you give a strong signal to YouTube that you don't want to see content from that channel anymore. And on the home screen, as you scroll through, or on your subscription or explore page, it won't show that anymore. Now, the last thing that you can do is go into a specific channel's profile here. If you're on that specific channel's profile, you'll see again at the very top are those three dots. You have a third option here. Tap on those three dots, and from here you can see hide user from my channel. By going through this process, it'll hide all existing and future comments from that channel on your videos. So if you find a specific channel is harassing you or leaving mean comments or anything like that, and you want to block them because of that, you can always hit the hide user and they won't be recommended anymore. Unfortunately, these are your three best options, but if you do hit the search bar at the very top here, unfortunately, if you search for that specific creator, they would still show up. They just won't be recommended on your home screen and your feed, all that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.